This video is presented to you by www.testprepadda.com. Testprepadda.com provides free audio-visual lectures of different subjects by expert faculties, free online tests prepared by expert faculties to students who are preparing for engineering or medical entrance exams or planning to take exams like KVPY, Olympiad, etc. It provides a platform where students can interact with mentors to improve their performance in the exams. The mission of this online medium is to help students to achieve their goals. Dear students, in this session, I am going to start the chapter sets. The concept of set is a very fundamental part of mathematics. It plays an important role if you want to study mathematics. And this concept was developed by a German mathematician, Georg Cantor. Actually, in different parts of mathematics like probability, trigonometry, sequences, geometry, etc., we will be required the knowledge of sets. And I'll tell you one thing. We all are aware of sets. We all are aware of sets. Every day in our daily life, we encounter with different sets. Like if I ask you vowels, then you will say a set of A, E, I, O, U, a set of 5 letters. Got it? We cannot put letter D in this category. Similarly, if I ask you what is meant by Indian cricket team, you will say it's a collection of 11 Indian cricket players. Now if I ask you what is meant by a bookshelf, we all know we keep books in a bookshelf. That is why you can say bookshelf is a collection of books. Okay. Now, what is the proper definition of set? If we want to define set, then what should we write? I'll tell you here. Dear students, a set can be written as a well-defined collection of objects. A well-defined collection of objects. Now question arises, what is meant by this well-defined? Collection of objects is okay. But what is meant by well-defined? I'll give an example. If I say a pack of cards, I'll show you. Pack of cards is a well-defined collection of playing cards. Well-defined collection. You cannot put any other card in this set. It's a well-defined collection. Got it? In the same manner, if I give you another example, if I say Indian rivers, rivers, set of Indian rivers, I'll show you. Now, set of Indian rivers is a well-defined collection of Indian rivers. For example, if I ask you, does river Ganga, does river Ganga belong to set Indian rivers? You will say yes. Now, if I ask you, does river Nile, does river Nile belong to set Indian rivers? You will say no. So what can we say? We can easily say, or we can say, set Indian rivers is a well-defined collection of rivers. So the meaning of well-defined is you can definitely decide whether a given particular object belongs to a set or not. Got it? You can definitely decide whether a given particular object belongs to a set or not. Now, if I ask you, tell me five most talented students of your class. Five most talented students of your class. Now the problem is I did not tell you whether I am talking about academic talent or I am talking about sports. I did not tell you the criteria. Here the criteria is not defined. That is why it will be very difficult for you to find five most talented students of your class. Got it? So here five most talented students. We cannot put this in the category of set because it is not well defined collection of five students. Got it? So we can easily say whether something is set or not. For set, it should be well defined collection of students. Got it? Now, I hope you have understood this concept. I will take few questions and you try to decide whether we can put uh, given things in the category of set or not. Here the question says, which of the following can be put in the category of sets? A is a collection of books written by Chetan Bhagat. Chetan Bhagat is an author. So, books written by him, it is a very well defined collection of books. Okay, we know all the books written by Chetan Bhagat, so we can put this in the category of sets. Now, when it says B, you can see a collection of five best writers of India. Five best writers of India. Now, the problem arises here, the criteria is not fixed. For me, For me, author X can be the best author. For you, author Y can be the best author. Since the criteria is not defined, it is not a well-defined set. So we cannot put this in the category of sets. Now, see, a collection of all natural numbers less than 20. Natural numbers less than 20, I can write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So these are natural numbers less than 20. I cannot put I cannot put 21 in this category. So it is very well defined collection. It is very well defined collection. That is why this will be put in the category of sets. Okay. Now it says a collection of all states of India. All states of India. So it is easy. We all know states of India. So this will be put in the category of sets because it is very well defined collection. It is very well defined collection. So those cases where where the criteria is not given, where the criteria is not given, we will not be able to define properly. So set means well-defined collection of objects. Got it? Log on to www.testprepadda.com to watch free video lectures on different topics, to download free revision notes, to take free chapter-wise online tests, progressive test, and mock test, to discuss doubts with mentors. Thank you for watching the video. To stay up to date with the latest videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like us on our Facebook page, Test Prep Adda. All the best.